Rohan was a poor woodcutter who lived in a small village surrounded by dense forests. He earned his living by cutting and selling wood, which he did with great diligence and honesty. Despite his poverty, Rohan was a contented man, known for his kind heart and strong principles. One day, while cutting wood by the river, Rohan's axe slipped from his hands and fell into the water. He was devastated, as the axe was his only means of livelihood. Without it, he would not be able to cut wood and provide for his family. As he searched for his axe, Rohan saw a golden axe lying on the riverbank. He thought to himself, this must be a treasure from the gods. With this golden axe, I can cut more wood than ever before and become rich. But then, he saw a silver axe and later an iron axe, both belonging to other woodcutters who had lost them in the river. Rohan knew that he had to return the axes to their rightful owners. He could have easily kept the golden axe and used it to become wealthy, but his honesty and integrity would not allow him to do so. He spent the rest of the day searching for the owners of the axes and returning them. The owners of the axes were amazed by Rohan's honesty and rewarded him with money and praise. News of his honesty spread quickly through the village, and soon, people were talking about the woodcutter who had returned the golden axe. The news of Rohan's honesty reached the king, who summoned him to the palace. The king offered Rohan a reward, but Rohan asked for nothing, saying, "My reward is the satisfaction of doing what is right." The king was impressed by Rohan's integrity and declared, "Honesty is the greatest treasure of all." From then on, Rohan was known as the honest woodcutter, and his story inspired others to follow his example. People began to trust him even more, and his business flourished. He continued to live a simple life, but his honesty and integrity brought him a sense of fulfillment and joy that he had never known before. Years later, when Rohan was old and grey, he looked back on his life with pride, knowing that he had lived a life of honesty and integrity. He had never become wealthy, but he had earned something far more valuable, the respect and admiration of his community. The story of the honest woodcutter teaches us that honesty is always the best policy, even when it is difficult or tempting to do otherwise. It shows us that integrity and honesty are the greatest treasures of all, and that they can bring us a sense of fulfillment and joy that we cannot find elsewhere.